Hello everyone, we are going to learn NCERT Mathematics Class 4. Chapter 2, Long and Short. We'll be learning first part of this chapter today. To measure the distance and determine the nearest and farthest point. To differentiate between millimeter, meter and centimeter. To solve simple real life problems related to height and length. These are the learning objectives which we are going to focus in this chapter. If you take any ruler, it starts from 0, 1, 2, 3 and it goes on. The distance between 0 and 1, this measure is called 1 centimeter. Similarly, if you measure from 1 and 2, so the gap between 1 and 2, the distance between 1 and 2 is again 1 centimeter. There are 10 subdivisions from 0 and 1. Similarly, from 1 and 2, if you check, there are 10 subdivisions, and between 2 and 3, there are 10 subdivisions. So, between each two numbers, there are 10 subdivision, and if you check, that is from 0 to this small gap. Any two small lines if you take, so this small distance, this tiny gap is 1 millimeter. So, the measurement between any two small lines, so this small gap is 1 millimeter. How many millimeters make 1 centimeter? If you count, there will be 10 millimeters in 1 centimeter. That's why we always say 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. 10 millimeters make 1 centimeter. In NCERT textbook, page 13, you have this picture. You have to just guess the distance between any two dots. After guessing, take a ruler and just measure the distance using your ruler. Make sure you start from 0. Some activity based on length. Take a notebook, pencil and ruler. Draw a line. Now make it shorter without erasing it. Were you able to do? Here is an interesting story, the shorter line. Akbar was a famous king. He had a smart minister called Birbal. Once Akbar gave him a difficult question. He drew a line on the floor. He called Birbal and said, Birbal, here is a line. Make it shorter without erasing. Birbal drew another line near Akbar's line. Birbal's line was longer. Automatically, Akbar's line is looking so short. Now, your line is shorter, said Birbal. Were you all smarter like Birbal? Were you able to make the line shorter without erasing it? Try this. Make her right arm 1 centimeter longer than the left arm. Take your ruler, measure the left arm. For example, if this is 1 centimeter, you have to add another 1 centimeter and draw the right arm. Now measure the cup. You have to draw a cup 1 centimeter shorter than this cup. So subtract 1 centimeter from the height of this cup and draw another cup. Draw a broom half as long as this broom. So measure the broom, divide the length by 2 and you draw another one. Draw another hair of double the length. So here the hair is curved. So you cannot measure it as you measure a straight line. Just take a small piece of thread, keep it over the hair and then you measure the length of the thread. Then double the length of that thread, you have to draw another hair. Reena and her friends were playing. They had a discussion. Reena said her mother is the tallest in her family, whereas her friend Ritu said her brother is the shortest in her family. Children, who is the tallest in your family? How tall have you grown? Do you remember that in class 3 you measured your height? Do you think you have grown taller So this is an activity which you have to do on your own. First you have to write your height, then you collect your friends' names, write their last year's height, then write this year's height, then how many centimeter have they grown. So you have to find the difference between their last year's height and this year's height, and you have to fill up this column. Here is next one. Jhampa once read a list of tallest people in the world. One of them was 272 centimeter tall. That is just double of Jhampa's height. How tall is Jhampa? How to find? Now, if you find half of 272 centimeter, you will get the answer, because this tall person is double the height of Jhampa. So if you divide 272 by 2, you will get the answer. So 136 centimeter is the height of Jhampa. Now, could that person pass through the door of your classroom without bending? Try to imagine, children. If the door of the classroom is more than 272 centimeter, the person can enter the door without bending. Otherwise, he has to bend. Try to imagine. Will his head touch the roof of your house if he stands straight? Imagine and get the answer. Now here comes the long and short of your family. As Reena and Ritu were discussing, here you are going to discuss with your family members. You are going to fill up this one. See you all in the next part of this chapter in the other video. Bye.